Hello and welcome to this new course. Today we will teach you how to make Arduino Radar using simple tools, Arduino board, ultrasonic sensor, ST-bar motor in this step-by-step guide. This is educational engineering team. You can check our website using this link eduengwd.com. We are a team of skilled engineers seeking to deliver high-quality engineering content including courses, articles, lessons, and online support for all of engineering students from all around the world, under the name of Educational Engineering Team. We also work as freelance engineers, helping many students in their graduation projects and give many courses about engineering topics. We are a board member of Microsoft.NET Club. We also founded Inkbell team, a team that makes workshops and courses with reduced costs to help students understand and develop their skills. You can check our website here, eduengwd.com. You can check our Udemy profile, udemy.com, educational engineering team. As you can see, we have more than 10,000 students. We have more than, we have 29 courses to be exact. We have 200 or so review. We have courses on Raspberry Pi, PIC Microcontroller, Arduino, programming, AutoCAD design, SolidWorks, and a lot of other interesting topics. You can check any of these courses. If you like it, you can contact us to send you a coupon to join any of these courses at maximum discount. You can check also our other website, eduengwd.blogspot.com. We are sure that you will enjoy this course and we wait you inside. Thanks for watching this introduction. Happy learning. This is Educational Engineering Team.